Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will share some advice on how to make your laptop faster. So the first thing I want to mention is that you should change the power mode of your device. To do that, right click the power icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and then select Power and Sleep settings. Once you enter the settings, you should scroll down to the power mode option and change the power mode for your device when it's plugged in to best performance. You can also change this setting for on battery option, but I rather kept either balanced or best power efficiency setting enabled, because this way it would this way your battery will last longer when your device is working on battery. The next thing is to lower the amount of apps that start up during your PC boot up. To do that, right click the taskbar, open the task manager, go into startup section, and right here you'll find a list of applications. Some of them will start up when your device boots up, and to find out which one, you should select an application and check its status. If it's enabled, that means that this application starts up when your device boots up. As you can see, for me, those applications are essential, and all of them come with Windows itself. So, but if you have some more applications like Discord, TeamSpeak, maybe some game launchers, etc., that start up when your PC launches, and you don't necessarily need them to start up when it does, then just right click one of these applications and select disable. And this way you will both make your device start up faster and increase its productivity when you use it. And the next thing I want to mention is that you should always close the tabs that you're not using. As you can see, I have a bunch of open tabs in my browser. All of them are empty tabs, so they shouldn't be using too much of my resources. But if we take a look at the processors tab in Task Manager, we'll see that our browser uses almost 5 gigabytes of RAM memory, and we can also see this in the performance tab. Moreover, it also uses some of CPU. So if we close this browser, it will significantly reduce the memory usage. As you can see on the graph, the memory usage fell drastically, and right now only 30% of memory is used. And that's everything I wanted to share with you, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.